Skoda India has officially unveiled their much-awaited upcoming sedan, the Slavia. The Slavia replaces the Rapid in the sedan lineup of the brand and fills the void between the Octavia and the Rapid. As the Slavia is bigger in dimensions, more luxurious and premium than the Rapid. The Slavia is offered with similar powertrain options as the Skoda Kushaq, with turbocharged petrol engine options, a 3-cylinder 1-litre TSi and a 4-cylinder 1.5-litre TSi with Active Cylinder Deactivation technology. The 1-litre engine produces 115 horsepower and 175 Nm of torque, while the 1.5-litre engine produces 150 horsepower and 250 Nm of torque. The 1-litre engine can be paired with a 6-speed manual or an automatic gearbox, while the 1.5-litre engine gets an option of a 7-speed DSG automatic and a 6-speed manual transmission. The Slavia exhibits an elegant glance from all corners and possible viewing angles with its bold and elegant lines, which are present all around the exteriors. The use of chrome at the front and at the side is very subtle, offering a premium look to the sedan. The looks of Slavia are appealing and comforting to the eyes with Skoda's coupe-like roofline. The Slavia's design is inspired by the Octavia while carrying forward certain body lines from its predecessor, the Rapid, reminding you of the sedan it replaces. The Slavia is bigger in dimensions than the Rapid as it looks wider than before, and the white piano black finished vertical slat grille hints at the increment in dimensions. The Slavia hosts a long list of premium features like the digital instrument cluster, touchscreen infotainment system, ventilated front seats, leather upholstery, smartphone connectivity, connected car tech, and a premium Skoda sound system. The Slavia is well equipped with safety features like electronic stability control, hill hold control, multi-collision braking system, and 6 airbags. The Slavia is offered in 5 different colors and 3 different wheel options. The wheel options depend on the variant, as the Slavia is offered in 3 variants: Active, Ambition and Style. The Slavia is expected to launch next year in February or March. However, Skoda India has started accepting bookings for Slavia. Considering it is going to rival the likes of the Honda City and other contenders in the segment, we expect it to be priced around Rs.10-15 Lakhs ex-showroom.